watching one of my videos. I'm Stephanie, just in case you didn't know. In today's video, we are going to get ready together. Please don't mind the background. I'm currently washing my sheets, but I had to get ready, and figured I'd take you guys along with me. So I am headed to my best friend's cousin's quinceañera. If you don't know what a quinceañera is, in the Hispanic culture, she is Panamanian. My niece had one too. My niece is Panamanian. In the Hispanic community, it's equivalent to a Sweet 16 in American culture, or a not a baptism. What is it called in the bar mitzvah in the Jewish community? It's just a rite of passage for a woman. Her quinceañera is her 15th birthday, and it's her rite of passage to become a woman. So we are getting dressed for that. Something real cute, real fun, or whatever, you know, real cute. So I already braided my hair down, got gel in it, all that good stuff, gel back the edges. It's pretty tight. Not get it right, get it tight, but it's pretty good. It's pretty dry for now. I'm going to go ahead and do the stocking cap method. So what I like to do, because my head is kind of big, I like to go ahead and just stretch out the cap before I put it on. Okay, so I'm gonna use a combination of both Got To Be products, the Ultra Glued Invincible Styling Gel and the Lasting Freeze Spray. Going on a trip in my favorite rocket ship. I don't frequent makeup. Love that song. Okay. Next step is to cut this bad boy off. So I'm going to go ahead and clean my forehead real quick. I'm using Equate. Any kind of alcohol is good. I'm using 91% alcohol just because I need to really scrub. Well, not scrub, but just make sure that I had all that extra residue from last time off. I just recently took a wig off. And it is raining outside, guys, so you hear thunder. So, my bad. So now I'm gonna take Bold Hold Skin Protect. And I'm gonna use the opposite side of the towel. And I'm gonna spray the actual towel, and this product actually works wonders. It really does protect your skin from the glue. So if you are having issues with your application or anything like that when it comes to glue, I would highly recommend getting their Skin Protect. Okay, so we're using the Bold Hold. It says Bold Hold on here. However, it's the active that I'm actually using. Okay, second layer. So the wig we're using is this one. Still the 28-inch one, but we're actually gonna curl her. Should be open. It's not locked. Well, heck, the back door ain't locked either though. These nifty one of them doors. Them doors. When you do like I don't know, it really depends on what meat. Oh, you late, Lulu. just a balloon right there.
Why does it smell like?
What does it smell like?
Yeah, polish remover.
I've been using alcohol remover. Alcohol. And there was some spray I used before I put my glue on. How pretty, baby. Caucasian there. Even 14 days in advance, I don't know.
What day?
A Saturday?
Just any Saturday?
Yeah.
For what?
Go to Atlanta, spend the day together, get a hotel, go out that night.
Next week.
Do you work Saturday?
Lisa left eye.
Right.
Nala, what's the matter, pretty girl?
Well, anyway, okay. Serious again. Like the low calorie thing.
Yeah.
Cause I didn't know if they was gonna have a whole bunch of rice and stuff here. Cause y'all cook rice for Thanksgiving, so.
No one else go.
Cause I'm basically gonna clean the whole kitchen by myself.
Yes. So he's like, well, it's super slow right now. I don't know what to tell you. Okay, no problem. Oh, as soon as I found out Lily was cut, Ryan, how in the world is someone that came in at 6 o'clock cut? How?
Right.
Guess I gotta let someone go out the bar. IBK been here since 4 o'clock, just like I have. You can move Lily.
Why you gotta be here anyway? Did you put bronzer on or anything? I ain't put no bronzer on. Good talk.
No, I know I was giving you mind about attention. That don't mean you gonna bite my fucking elbow because I'm done paying.
She said you ain't done. She said you ain't done. Okay guys, so here is the final results. So we are running hella late. She's standing over me right now. So we have to go. Look, there she go right here. Over. Oh dear God. Here she goes. We gotta go. We're hella late. We're like 2 hours late. So I'm gonna go ahead and end it here. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. Don't forget to click on these videos right here and also my face right here. These videos will swipe you to the next video, and then this one will help you subscribe, okay? All right, and see you next time. Bye. Mwah.